àdáràn nǹkan tọ́rọ̀ oko máa dálẹ̀ agbára oko gan ò ní lè kà. Àǹtí mi Ojuabe, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ah ah ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ Kádíjà pẹ̀lẹ́ my dear. Sórí, first thing first, sórí anybody tó bá ń blog ẹ, you are a celebrity, or okay sọ pé you are any, whatever it is you are, be an influencer, anywhere, you are just a social media ranter. You used to analyze people. So to get to say, títí ẹ náà bá dé, understand that they are going to analyze you. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ò lè kó dìjà. Pàṣán tó fi nà yálé, wọ́n máa tọ́jú ẹ̀ sájà fún ẹ náà ni. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé everybody on this social media, we analyze everything we see. You do it. Why is it now a problem for people to do it to you? Khadija, hypocrisy ni. Tí gbogbo èèyàn sọ pé ẹ fílẹ̀, ẹ má dá lóhùn, ẹ má dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ àtìyàwó ni. Ṣé bí ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ àtìyàwó níwọ náà máa ń dá sí lórí social media Khadija? O rántí ti Ice Vogue, ó sì ń taṣọ tó fà. Ṣé mo gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ àtìyàwó níwọ náà máa ń dá sí? In fact, ní ìṣe ẹnìyẹn lórí social media. Ọkọ tó fẹ́ yàwó méjì, ọkọ tó fi àjẹyàwó ẹ̀, things like that níwọ náà máa ń ṣe. So don't be angry nígbà tí ọkọ tó fẹ́ àbí ṣebí ọkọ ìyàwó tó bá bójú ẹ̀ jẹ́ online táwọn èèyàn náà gbé tó ganu sí láyé. Ìwọ analyze life àwọn èèyàn ó make owó, àwọn èèyàn náà máa analyze life tiẹ̀ láti make owó. Téèyàn bá gbé music kó analyze mi, Ọlọ́run mi ní bínú mi ní já. I'm not going to be angry. Mi ò ní bínú, mi ò ní já, because èmi náà máa ń ganu sí life oní life bí ilé ayé ṣe rí nìyẹn. And to be frank and honest with you, ọkọ tó fẹ́ yìí, this guy look like ọmọ agbèrò. Even look at the way he talks, his facial expression. Everybody talking, they literally, yàtọ̀ sí pé àwọn tó ti bá jà tẹ́lẹ̀. Should you understand? Most people talking, they are looking out for you. Let's be frank. But mo mọ̀ pé tí oko bá ti wọnú òbò tán, aláìrè náà á ṣe kí ni ayẹ̀bà. People literally are concerned for you. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n hate ẹ pàṣẹ tó sọ pé anybody má sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ pé láyé ẹni ẹ kí ló fẹ́ ṣe. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni, a dẹ̀ máa make owó torí ìwọ náà sọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́rọ̀. Tí ẹ ló dé yìí, tí èèyàn kan bá dé wàá ganu sí, tí ẹ náà bá dé jẹ́ ká ganu sí ká make owó, kí ló fi ń ṣèyàn. Speaking of making money, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fún wa ní star. Ẹ má wá Caprigi lórí YouTube, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fún wa star, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ajọ́ ò ní gbé yín lọ́mọ lọ. Khadija, I don't think the people hate you. And now you are making it a big deal. You are defending the man. You are doing everything to make sure. That is exactly what you are not supposed to do. Tori, that will not even make the matter leave social media. Now it's showing like you are desperate. The man did something very wrong. Ọkùnrin tó bá ti mọ̀ pé ìyàwó ẹ̀ ń blog, you don't interfere. Whatever it is tó bá rí, you are supposed to kote yẹ kọkùnrin yẹn gan máa ṣe láńgbáláńgbá níwájú life ẹ̀ náà. Bóyá tó bá wọlé and you are doing life, bóyá kó ra kọjá kó kúrò mẹ́. Tó bá fetí kó àwọn nǹkan tó sọ, if it's not okay with him, he can talk to you after. That is when a man respects you. He can talk to you after. Pé ìyàwó mi ò like nǹkan tẹ́ni sọ. Make sure pé mama engage. Ló bá tán. But he came to social media, is the page that is not his. He want to show everybody pé òun ló ń ṣe kíni, òun ló ń gbá ẹ̀pọ̀n fún ẹ. That is what he's trying to do, and that is not a full-grown man ló máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Most of us la lọ́kọ. Tó o bá lọ́kọ wà ṣáléyàn tó ń gbó ẹ. That is it. The man behaved like a child, and for the fact that you are way older than him, it's like the age of your first son. It's making the whole thing weird. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé tó bá yẹ pé èèyàn tó jù ẹ lọ ló ṣerú nǹkan báyìí sí ẹ, a máa sọ pé àgbàlagbà ọkọ ẹ, ṣé o mọ̀. But this is a younger guy that is taking chances with you like that. Younger guy, you can respect àgbàlagbà tó bá ti ń dó ẹ. That is it. And now you are defending it with your life. You are doing content as if everything is not nice. Everything is not alright. Kò sí relationship tó wà online. Kò fẹ́ àgbàlagbà, kò fẹ́ ọmọ kékeré. everything is not alright. Kò sí marriage tó wà alright, kò sí relationship. But surely, wèrè la fi ń wo wèrè outside social media. Wèrè everybody fi ń wo wèrè outside social media. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n hate it. But of course, they're going to talk about it because you too, you talk about people. Next time, ìwọ àti Papa Lolo tẹ́jọ́ ń dóra yín, ní kó ẹ̀sìn yín wá sórí social media. Tẹ́ bá ti ẹ̀ ń lura yín gan-an nulẹ̀, we are not supposed to know. The guy is supposed to ṣe kí ni? Wo gbogbo nǹkan tí Akeem sọ. Akeem sọ pé your highest gifter, bọ̀bọ̀ ilé lọ. Wípé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn, in fact, ó kàn fẹ́ wá jẹṣẹ́ ni, ìwọ ló lọ fọ́ rẹ́kẹrẹ́kẹ́. Mo máa ń sọ kíní kan fún èèyàn tó bá ti rí ẹ náà, ó máa mọ̀ pé o wà intelligent Ojuabe, ó kàn fine ni. Mo máa ń sọ àṣọ obìnrin tó bá ń ṣe content bíi tiwa, you have to be very careful or else wà kó sọ́wọ́. Orí mi o, wà kó sọ́wọ́. If you see, even bí mo ṣe ń bojú, tẹ bá rí àwọn offer tó máa ń fún mi, mo kàn máa ń wò pé, are you for real? I make it clear that I'm happily married. Ilé ọkọ mo wà. Mi ò wọ́kùnrin. But if you see the offer where these crazy people they send to me, una go be like, kí ló dé? That is just it. So tó bá wá jẹ́ ọkọ tó jẹ́ pé you are thirsty for dick, you know. You used to look thirsty. Wà fún gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀. Wà máa ṣojú símẹ́símẹ́. You will attract the wrong set of men. Even if you need husband, you shouldn't. Kò yẹ kó wà thirsty kó máa polówó ọjà bẹ́yẹn. Ó máa ń ṣe polówó gan. You are single, you are this, you want a man. Of course, this is social media. It's the wrong side, wrong set of men. Ló máa attract yẹn. That is it. So initially, you put yourself out there. Surely you put yourself there. Number 2, when it comes to social media, make sure the people that are watching you àwọn kan ló ń gbá ẹni tatata, because it always doesn't end well. The people that are watching you, go and look at the history on social media. They have this connection with you. Tó jẹ́ pé they feel like they know you and all of that. Èèyàn tó bá ti ń gbọ́ṣẹ́ kò yẹ kó jẹ́ èèyàn tó ń gbọ́ ẹ̀ lórí social media. It's another kind of kíní. But ó ti fall. I know the way you are doing with this guy, you like the torí tó bìnrin bá ti ń defend the ọkùnrin, okó yẹn dá ni, okó yẹn bá ẹ lára mu. It's not a big deal. But control your tomboy. Sọ pé kó má máa fi ẹ́ ṣẹ̀sìn online ló bá tán. The man is not matured. And he has shown the world is not matured. And ṣó wá mọ nǹkan tó wà very scary. Tí ò yẹ, kò tí lè yẹ ń sìn, ó dìgbà tó bá jẹ́ ìyàkú lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ní pé the process of ó ti fuck up, kò sí wàhálà. The process of ó fuck up, ó wá ń defend ẹ̀ yẹn. Ibi tó ti ṣe mistake nìyẹn. Èèyàn tó fuck up, tó bá yẹ pé ọkùnrin tó wà mature, tó bá tẹ fuck up, it will come to the life. I am sorry, ẹ má bínú. I was just triggered by what that person said. Ló bá tán, you don't need to be defending a man. That is where you are still in trauma relationship nìyẹn. You are not supposed to say, ó better kó máa shove ẹsẹ̀gbẹ̀ ju kó máa tiẹ̀ sọnù ju pé kó máa keep malice pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. He pushed you out to defend his ego after he has messed you up. It will continue because it is registered in his head pé kò sí nǹkan tóun bá lè ṣe fún ẹ. Wàá máa defend òun. That is it. Tí bọ̀bọ̀ ìbá fi ẹlẹ́sìn tó lọ ń cheat níta tó kà ń bẹ̀, wàá wá jáde wàá wá defend ẹ̀. It never gets better. Mi ò sọ pé kò fi ilẹ̀. But the truth is, you shouldn't have defended him. Òun ló ṣe nǹkan tí ò dá. You should come out and say, I'm sorry, this will not happen again. I was just triggered by little sentence. But he had to, Ọlọ́run ló mọ, ó tún gbá ẹlẹ́pọ̀n. He has to give you this thing. Ó wá manipulate mind ẹ̀ pé kó wá máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ lèèyàn tó ṣe, ọ̀tọ̀ lèèyàn tó ń ṣẹ̀mọ̀ tó ń cover ẹ̀ up. Desperation lélẹ́yìí o, Ojuabe. It's pure desperation. Then nǹkan Akeem sọ fún ẹ in a nutshell. Akeem sọ pé ó rán wálé ó ní Akeem ọkọ àwọn single mother remind us of how Dami toasted Ojuabe on live stream sometimes back. orí live stream ló ti toast ẹ̀ lójú gbogbo èèyàn. Ọmọ èèyàn long. Let me coach you people. Even if you want to do it, you have to, there are some conditions to man. Don't just speak any dictum and just, there are some conditions to just be. You don't bring a man that toasts you online to life. No. You don't. Àwọn Ọlọ́run ó yẹ kí n máa ṣe ẹja àfilẹ̀ ṣá. Ó ní when they toasted you, orí live stream náà ti toast ẹ, orí live stream náà ló ti disgrace ẹ. Ṣó ti rí pé there is a pattern there. Your weak points, the man already knows it. Ó ti mọ̀ pé up here, you are desperate. Ó dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ the kind of content tó máa ń gbé síta tó máa fún aṣọ mọ́ra, tó máa pọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀, tó máa ṣojú spẹ́spẹ́. Ó ti mọ̀ pé you are thirsty for men. Kì í ṣe pé kéèyàn lọ́kọ. O gbọ́dọ̀ ní ọkọ tó jẹ́ pé anytime, any day. Wàá mọ̀ pé kò lè bójú ẹ̀ jẹ́. You are there, you are not there. Wàá mọ̀ pé kò lè bójú ẹ̀ jẹ́. Nǹkan tó ń pè ní ọkùnrin nìyẹn. Nǹkan tó ń pè lọ́kọ nìyẹn. Anytime, any day, you know that okay, this man did for me. Ìwọ gan ló yẹ kó máa jà lórí life kí ọkọ ẹ máa sọ pé kò stop. Wait, these are your fans. It's not the other way around. And this is what everybody is trying to let you know, that because of ọ̀rọ̀ ó ti dìdàkudà. It's not the man himself. I think it's the character of the man. That is it. And you cannot see that. That is it. You are still in love. After sometimes you start seeing it. At that time, at late. Only they toasted you on live stream back then. Ojuabe fell for damage trick, thinking it is true love. Well, let me tell you something. In October, my Shelly she. My lójú aráyé ni. That is it. The more the noise, to get to say, it's called validation love. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ toast me to mama toast me lórí live stream? Come on now. Oh yeah, if you are toasting me in inbox, it's different thing than when you toasted me on live stream. It's a different thing. It's called a validation. So you confuse it together. You thought it's true love, but he has made it declare to the whole world. No, he make it declare to your audience. So he's more interested in your audience than you got it confused. Mama so kini ko fún yín. Old, young, matured, ripe, unripe, kò sí type of obìnrin. Most of us are dumb alone. Few ló lè. Most women, they are dumb. Kò ti ṣe mistake, ẹ wá dúró ilé ọkọ tí Ojuabe ti tọ́wò, ẹ wá dúró ọmọ tó ti bí, still náà ó ṣì kò sọ́wọ́, because you people don't learn. Ẹ̀yin obìnrin yẹn kì í learn. Ojuabe fell for Dami streak, thinking it is true love. Following the trending embarrassment of Ojuabe and Dami, chased away Ojuabe's strong supporter off our live stream. Because you see, let me tell you some things. You don't understand that the people, moments of ọkùnrin ló máa ń ra staff fún wájú, especially when you are a female speaker. Ọkùnrin is your major audience. They are attracted to you, they like you, or they like what you say, or they like your personality. So, but when it comes to this situation, this man is making it about himself. He doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about what makes you money. Insecure man. Or 10 years of per live stream. Flare up. So Bawareyan to sọ pé Ojuabe, dump this man, come and be with me. Kí lẹ rò kó máa ṣe? Those are the things we told Ojuabe to get confused. I saw another person complaining again. That person said, how did Auntie Khadija Ojuabe become this woman I'm seeing on the screen today? How did this huge shift happen? And when did this happen? Because they fall in love with their hearts, not their brain. They fall in love with their pussy. Bó bá ṣe lè jọ̀n ẹ́ dáadáa, bó bá ṣe lè fún ẹ ní head dáadáa, bó bá ṣe lè jẹ́ kó domi dáadáa, kó domi ya. That is when women think that is love. It's not. A man can jìn ẹ́ kó gbórí sí ẹ lábẹ́ for 24 hours kó máa lá ẹ kó fẹ́ lá ẹ pa. Doesn't mean that he loves you. Ó sì máa bójú ẹ jẹ́. Èmi máa ń sọ kíní kan, whatever you do outside, for me, that is the love, not inside. I want you to show the love outside, not inside. You cannot embarrass me outside. Tó fi jẹ́ pé màá máa click mute button. You embarrassed me outside and I was clicking the mute button. Kò sí bó bí dìgẹ̀ wo kí dìgẹ̀ gùn láti bí báyìí dé Naija. I'm just turned off. That is just it. I don't know how you sleep with men like that. Me, it's more in the head than my pekus. My brain is connected to my pekus. If you embarrass me like that, my pekus will never rise for you again. I will never be honey for you again. Connect your brain to your pekus. The man knows exactly what he's doing. It's not supposed to do that, but he purposely wants to chase the people around you because he's insecure. You want to chase them away. Your gifter, your money and everything. How you make your money, that is not healthy. Ọkùnrin tó bá jẹ́ pé bó ṣe make your way, ó wọ́n affect it. He doesn't want you to. Bóyá tó bá ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ. Tó bá yẹ pé Ojuabe ní ọ̀gá. Tí Ojuabe ń ṣiṣẹ́ as secretary, this guy will still have issue. Àwọn máa sọ fún Ojuabe pé kó kúrò ńbẹ̀. Wípé òun ò trust ọ̀gá ẹ̀. This is a live stream. Tó yẹ pé most of these guys, they cannot touch Ojuabe. Even if tó bá tiẹ̀ ń fọ́ fún, they cannot touch Ojuabe. But this man still flare up. Because he's insecure. He doesn't care about you making your war. He's going to chase everybody away and he's going to leave you. You will now understand that he's just going to use you and dump you. It's a circle. Doesn't mean to make a mistake in me if you refuse to use your sense. There's so many things wrong. Don't defend him. Not defend him. Throw him back to the wolf. Throw him ori online lo ti embarrass e. Throw him back online. Ma fi ṣàwàdà, ma ṣe content pẹ̀lú ẹ. This is a serious thing. Ori life lo ti embarrass e. Ori life náà ni kó ti wá apologize. You let a man go away with that without an apology and you turn it into content. O kàn tún sún ọjọ́ ìyá ẹ síwájú ní Ojuabe. Owó tí mo ní mo yá ẹ. Only Auntie Khadija that I love and know and admire feels so different from the person I'm seeing right now. Money. They change because they I have to do this. You don't checkmate a man. You think like the quarrel has solved all your problem. No. Only what really happened to her. And please spare me the people change narrative. You are an adult and nobody can turn you into what you don't want to become. A porno can turn you into something you don't want to become. Honestly, the woman I'm seeing now look like someone who needs to take a break from social media because it feels like you may be heading towards a mental breakdown very soon. I know you want people not to analyze you, but I'm saying this from a place of well. Go back on me. Go back on the one can analyze. Oh, can analyze that one. Oh, can analyze that one. Toba fish online. I'm a big now. But I don't think this is internet. What told you for joy at the everybody go chop her. That is it. So she warned everybody not to analyze her. This is my third video on Ojuabe. She should come and collect my phone. Èmi mo ránṣẹ́ kó lọ gbé tomboy tó máa bojú ẹ̀jẹ̀ online. Didn't she know at her age 50 or something, kò yẹ kọ́pọlọ ẹ sọ fún pé you are supposed to date men that are intelligent than just a boy tó máa ṣe pàpàpà sí ẹ lóbò. Date men, ẹ gbọ́, men ó yàtọ̀ sí boys o. Ìgbádùn orí bẹ́ẹ̀dì, ẹ̀sìn àgbáyé, ẹ̀sìn ayérayé, ìyàtọ̀ wà ń bẹ. I don't joke with my self-respect. I don't joke with, I'm not foolish like that. Gbogbo pàpàpàtà ti ṣe láti kékeré kò dẹ̀ tí ì tó ẹ kọ́ ṣe máa jìyàn kọ́ jẹ́ ẹ̀wọ́nú kòtò kọ́ máa embarrass ẹ̀rìn. This is the first embarrassment and lots more is coming because you let this slide. You shouldn't have let him slide just like that. You shouldn't have defended him. You shouldn't have turned it into content. You should have made him go take accountability for nǹkan tó ṣe. Only something seems to have changed in you, and truly I hope whatever it is, it leaves soon, so you can return to being that charming and beautiful one many of us admire on social media. You still alive. If you like, make you change. If you like, make you not change. And what's with, she's telling people not to analyze her. Is she mad? So she ain't. But yeah, you know, myself, we can analyze her. But for me, if the tobato she was chasing, tobato fear chasing, I still go make video. What do you want? You know you make video on top of matter. Yeah, well, that is it. I'm just telling you women. If you're Ojuabe, if you come, Sherry and younger guys here, if they are going for older women, it's not love. It's money. Most of the time it's money. You are supposed to be with a man. To mama be a Chanel stock. In shape to mama nowhere. We are too grown and come on. I can't spend shishi on a man. That is it. You are supposed to be with a man. It's not porn. If you know that the porn is not as shaking as you want, use the dildo. Satisfy yourself. But you really respect. Respect cannot be bought. Respect can never be bought. And that is one thing that is lacking here. She doesn't understand. This guy can never respect you. You respect him. Ojuabe ò lè ṣe nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ṣe sí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn, kò lè ṣe láíláí. But this guy doesn't care. He doesn't care. He just wants the world to know that yes, òun ló ń jẹ́ṣẹ́, òun ló ń control ẹ̀. An insecure man, a child. No mama ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn online. Well, ẹ̀yin náà rí Ọlọ́run mọ̀ bí tán ti máa rí yín because not me, not me.